Appreciate the insight on that. And do you mind talking about the HTN, the hypertension market opportunity overview, along with AVIM therapy and how these products differentiate from other products out on the market?
Sure. Well, hypertension is arguably the biggest medical problem in the world. Over 1.2 billion patients worldwide are believed to suffer from hypertension. In the United States, we're talking about one in every two adults, 120 million individuals. Hypertension contributes to broad cardiovascular risk, so it really drives artery disease. It causes heart attacks, strokes, and then particularly for older patients, it is working the heart harder and harder and driving those patients to heart failure. And so our therapy actually really focuses on those older patients. And older patients really, they suffer from a form of hypertension better referred to as hypertensive heart disease, where hypertension is really contributing to that extra work on the heart, the deterioration of the overall cardiovascular system, and then high risk of those major heart attack or stroke events. So we're concentrating our effort and really built our therapy for those older patients. Why? Because it's delivered through a pacemaker. And so we've always thought about AVIM therapy as addressing an older comorbid higher risk patient population because that's the population that gets pacemakers. Our therapy can be integrated with that device, delivered by the same device the patients already need. There's already established reimbursement. There's a very established care pathway. And our partner, as I've mentioned, is the dominant leader. Medtronic invented the pacemaker. They've been at this for over 6 decades. They are the dominant leader with over half the market. They're bigger than all 3 of their competitors. So we've picked a partner that really can bring the therapy to market very quickly. So we're starting with that pacemaker population. There's 750,000 patients every year that get a pacemaker that have hypertension. They're higher risk. That's the beachhead that we're partnered with Medtronic. And half those patients, as I mentioned, are already getting a Medtronic device. We think there's a notable expansion opportunity. Once again, there's 1 billion patients worldwide. We're focused on several million that we think would be highly addressable. They would look demographically and from a clinical standpoint a lot like the pacemaker population, older, comorbid, higher risk. But now you would bring the device and make it available because you want to get them AVIM therapy. Our therapy has been shown to deliver double-digit reductions in ambulatory systolic blood pressure. It's helpful for the heart overall. And because of the data we have, because of the unmet need in the population we're talking about, we were really excited the FDA granted us a breakthrough device designation just a couple months ago in April in order to, they recognize by doing that, a broader population, actually it's much larger than the several million. It's almost 8 million patients in the US that they recognize are have that increased cardiovascular risk and still are at risk from hypertension. So we think we have a very clear focused market opportunity for AVIM, and really drugs and other therapies haven't been developed specifically for those older patients. So we have something that is novel, differentiated, it looks like it has a very exciting efficacy and safety profile. And the pivotal trial, the BACKBEAT study we're running now, is designed really to prove that and enable Medtronic really to go to market in that capital efficient manner that we've built our business to optimize.